Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. The bulls just keep marching along. They converted 3,500 yesterday. We traded as high as 35.41. They've already engaged with the upper band on the daily chart, which is coming in about 35.24. So, I mean, you've got an upper band ride. We had this consolidation. The bands have expanded, and the bulls have won that battle that we were going through right around the 6th, 7th of the month at daily mid-band, 50-day, 9-day, all that stuff. They flipped the coin down there, and it came up bulls. Convert 3,400, do a quick 100 to 3,500, and now, as we wake up this morning, you're starting to think about things like 3,550. So we talked about 3,500 yesterday morning. Didn't really think we'd do that before the open, but we did. Yesterday was pretty much a one trade day for us. We got long 34, 93, 75. And we held that, took a 40 handle runner, and it simplified most of the day. We tried to get into another one or in and around the close, took a -2, took a couple of couple of even stops and out, and then we backed off. As we head into this morning, you can see we've been on either side of the daily mid-band basically all night. The hourly mid-band. Hourly mid-band is coming in effectively at 35.24 right now. Volume weighted average price 35.2268. Proprietary moving average 35.24. 5-minute mids at 28. Your daily pivot today is at 12.33. So it's been a little volatile, whippy this morning. They just whipped it down to 22. You got Johnson & Johnson's reporting this morning. You've got the bands tightening up again after this overnight consolidation. So let's walk through it. If the bulls are successful, then they're going to hold or reconvert and then hold during the regular session. This hourly mid-band, they're going to take a look at 35.41. A higher high above 41 should head up to 35.50, and then we can kind of sort through and see where we are there. The all-time highs, which on the continuation chart are 35.87, and on continuation chart is 35.87. December contract, I want to say it's like 35.81. Anyway, that 35.80, 35.90 area is achievable this week. And I'll say the same thing I said to you yesterday. We will continue to go higher until the bears do something about it. And they can't do something about it for 20 minutes. They have to do something about it on a sustainable basis. So you can sit around and wait for that to happen, or you can pick your spots like yesterday and be long and make some money. People have been fighting this thing all the way up, and I've been guilty of that at times too. It's a rally that is just born to be hated because it came out of so much low-level, drip higher consolidation crap. But the one thing that has been very apparent is that when the short side does not pay, and it's been pretty much immediate gratification on the short side when it does work. When it doesn't pay, it's because they can't take it down. Why do you want to be short something they can't take down? You got to get involved on the other side of the trade. It sounds simplistic, but it's really not. Don't be short stuff that doesn't want to go down. Now, this isn't going to go up forever, and I'll be interested to see if we start to consolidate again a little bit here. But as long as that hourly mid-band continues to win these battles, and it won this battle again. They were below it for an hour. We're back above. We're testing it again. Support here. Support here. Then the bulls are going to prevail and keep marching higher. So keep that in mind. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.